Look at Larry, eating a cheap burger, dreaming of $1 billion. Most people live like this, spending today what they haven't earned tomorrow. He thinks he's royalty because of his easy money hat. But it's a lie. He's wearing a cardboard box while banks build skyscrapers on his ego. It starts with a simple signature. Sign here for a better life, they say. But they don't mention the fine print that owns your soul. And then the squeeze. Banks don't want customers, Larry. They want hostages. Every hidden fee is a finger tightening around your neck. The car lease trap. You think you're driving to freedom. Wrong. That robot is the bank, and he's holding the leash. You're just a passenger in your own debt. Every step Larry takes is heavy. Why? Because interest is a weight that never stops pulling you down. You're running in place, bro. Trying to get rich quick with meme coins? Boom! The market just gave you a reality check. If it sounds too easy, you're the product, not the investor. Look at this vacuum. The ATM isn't a friend. It's a high-powered machine designed to suck your wallet dry before you can even say, overdraft. Even your lunch is melting. Inflation turns your hard-earned groceries into dust. If your money isn't growing, it's dying. Simple as that. Stop the madness. Here is the map. 50% for needs, 30% for fun, and 20% must go into assets. This is how I built my empire while Larry bought burgers. If you ignore the rules, this is your future. Your life on fire, your dreams in smoke. Don't let your financial engine explode, Larry. Look at the difference. Larry has cobwebs and regret. I have a safe full of assets. I don't work for money anymore. Money works for me. This is real wealth, freedom, the ability to sleep peacefully while your capital grows. It's not luck, Larry, it's a strategy. Don't be a Larry, choose freedom. Subscribe right now, hit the bell, and let's make you savvy. Before the bank spiders catch you. Let's go!